To deposit a check in Capital One, you can follow these simple steps. First, make sure you have a Capital One checking or savings account and the mobile app installed on your device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store. Next, open the Capital One mobile app and log in to your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu and select the option to deposit a check. This option is usually found under the Account Transactions or Account Management section. Before you start the deposit process, ensure your check is properly endorsed with your signature. This is a crucial step as it verifies that you are the account holder and authorizes the deposit. To endorse your check, sign your name on the back of the check in the designated endorsement area, usually found on the top right-hand corner of the back of the check. You can also add the words "for deposit only" to prevent anyone else from cashing the check. Now, go back to the Capital One mobile app and select the account where you want to deposit the check. Choose the type of check you are depositing, such as a personal check or a business check, and enter the check amount. Take a clear photo of the front and back of the check using your device's camera, making sure all four corners of the check are visible and the check is properly lit. The app will guide you through the photo-taking process to ensure the images are clear and legible. Once you have taken the photos, review the check details to ensure everything is accurate, including the check amount and the account number. If everything looks good, submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your deposit has been received and is being processed. It may take a few days for the check to clear and the funds to be available in your account. You can monitor the status of your deposit through the Capital One mobile app or by contacting customer service. In addition to mobile deposit, you can also deposit a check at a Capital One ATM or by visiting a branch in person. To deposit a check at an ATM, insert your card, select the deposit option, and follow the on-screen instructions. To deposit a check in person, bring the check to a Capital One branch and provide it to a bank representative, who will assist you with the deposit process. By following these steps, you can easily deposit a check into your Capital One account using the mobile app, an ATM, or by visiting a branch. Remember to always verify the check details and ensure the check is properly endorsed to avoid any issues with the deposit.